Now that's the first. You hear that? Probably do something at my window. Unsupervised. Same troubled, delinquent children. Unruly by Georgia definition. Rude gestures, harassment, vandalism, disorderly conduct. Do I need to go on by the same ones? That was Naya and Kamaya. I knew she couldn't walk by without doing anything. This is known as the witching hour, because that's when all the welfare brats come out, run wild, out of control, and do whatever the hell it is they want to do, and they won't be stopped by anyone, especially TPI Management, Baywatch Security, Gray Store Properties, and all the others.